Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some sunglasses from Prada. You know I'm going to give you that on face, and you know I got to give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So like I said, I do have some sunglasses from Prada that I do want to review for you guys. And I am kind of like a sunglass guy. I don't wear them often, but every couple months I do like to pick up a pair of sunglasses. And so this is kind of like my fall pickup right here, man. So I do have the box right here. I did get these from easycontacts.com. I had seen them on the Prada website. And I said, you know what, let me start searching, see if I can find a deal, and I found a deal. So right here, I do have my trusty box cutter, man. Let me go ahead and give it a slice. You know what time it is, man. Peel back gang, we still outside. We got to go ahead and peel it back. Let's go. Okay. Opening up the good old box right here. Now let's see what we have. We got our receipt, and we have... we got something, maybe this is a cleaner, but this is something from Easy Contacts right here. And yeah, let's get into it. Now we got the box right here. As you can see, I did get the Tortise. Like I said, this was kind of my fall pickup. Hopefully we can catch a little bit of that from that Tortise, but this is the Tortise, and I was really torn between two different pair of sunglasses. I did like these Pradas, and then they also had some Balenciaga joints that were similar, and by similar I mean they were very slim. Now I'm more of a fan of the more boxy big style glasses, but right now the slimmer frames are kind of cracking, so I said let me go ahead and grab a pair of those. Now we do have that white Prada box right here. So it's a white box, it's textured, and it does say Prada right there in that middle, kind of in like a silver foil. Now let's open this up. So lift up, looking good. We still have that same kind of texture material right there, and we have the case right here. Let's see inside. Oh, actually very nice. Okay, so we do have instruction manual, how to care for it. It does come with a cloth. Now let's see if this cloth has any branding on it, or if it's a normal cleaning cloth. Let's take a look. It is black in color, and it looks like it's a normal cleaning cloth. Actually, no, it is branded. At the bottom right here, it does say Prada, so you will be able to know this is a Prada cleaning cloth right here. Let's take this out. We also have a very nice soft case. So you see it does come with the hard case, but we do have the soft case, and on the front it does say Prada right there at the bottom. Very nice quilted, very nice quilted. And the inside of the box, as you can see as well, it does say Prada across. Now these glasses are unisex, and I decided to go with them just because, like I said, I usually like more of a big frame, kind of like the ones that I have on. But the slimmer frames are the ones that are cracking right now. So we open up the Prada container, the hard case. Boom, we got the glasses in here. I just took them out. And yeah, let's take a look. Right here, we do have those Prada sunglasses in that Tortise right here. Let me take these off. And I really just like that nice light brown, kind of dark brown mix that we have right there, man. Glasses are looking very nice. As you can see on that left at the top, it does say Prada on the lens. And right here on the sides, this is kind of what they're known for right now. It's kind of like that geometric design on the temples. It does say Prada Milano. very nice. And let's go ahead and put these on, man, because I'm very glad to have them. They actually have a little Prada sticker on the front. Let me take that off. Take that smooth off. But yeah, let's do it, man. Let's take these off. Time to put these on. Woohoo! Oh yeah, I can dig it, man. I'm liking these, you feel me? So right here we do have the Prada glasses. Let me turn to the side so you can get some of that temple shot, you know, some of that side shot right there. And you know, I can wear these, as you can see, by themselves, you know, but one of the reasons why I did look at getting a pair of the slimmer frames is because I always felt like wearing glasses, sunglasses, and a hat was like doing a little bit too much. And that's because the glasses that I usually wear are a little bit bigger. But since these are slimmer, I am going to give you that look of having the sunglasses and a hat on. Stay tuned. And right here, I do have the glasses on with the hat. And this is the look that I was kind of going for. So the glasses, like I said, they're not too big. So this kind of slimmer design you can wear with the hat where it doesn't really take over your whole face. Now, let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot, let you see some of that temple. And this is kind of, like I said, the look that I was going for. It's more of a narrow frame, you feel me? Let me go turn to this side just so you can see that. And you know, I'll give you another look with just another shirt. Like I said, that Tortise is very versatile. You can wear it summertime because, you know, it'll blend with your colors. It doesn't necessarily have to be an all black pair of glasses. And that's why I did go with the Tortise right here. And let me add, I did get these for a really good deal. I went to Macy's, or did I go to Macy's? I think I either went to Macy's or Nordstrom, and I tried on the Balenciaga glasses, the ones that I was looking at, and they were just too skinny for me. So it was like a super small rectangle, so I couldn't go with those, man. But I was able to try these on, and that's when I decided that I did like them. I want to say that they're selling for about $433, something like that. But I was able to grab them from Easy Contacts, and I paid, I want to say like maybe $220. So, you know, I always like to look around, like to get a good deal. And even my other Versace's that I started the video with, I got those from Easy Contacts as well. You can go ahead and check out the review I did on those. But yeah, man, let me show you one more look, one more outfit I did with these glasses. All right, and I do have the glasses on with a button-up shirt. Now, this is a Ralph Lauren Denim and Supply shirt in that camo, and you can't go wrong with camo. Camo's going to match with pretty much everything, you feel me? And I feel like it's a good match for these glasses as well. Now, let me turn to the side so you can see a little bit more of that side shot. Let me go ahead and turn to the other side so you can see some of that side shot. And like I said, man, you can't go wrong with the camo. These glasses are very versatile. You can wear them with light colored clothes. You can wear them with dark colored clothes. It's really kind of like a win-win, man. But yeah, don't forget to like this video. Tell me which glasses you picked up recently. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know I got more stuff coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.